has come to the court and he has delivered evidence before the court. So there are two types of evidences. There are oral different evidence and the written evidence. And we have tendered them all today. Both the written one and the oral one. INEC brought them and the staff of the INEC is here also to defend it. So today we have tendered two witnesses in the court. And by God's grace, tomorrow we are going to bring more witnesses to come before the tribunal to tender their evidences. Today, there are hot debates. The respondents, they do all they could to see that the case has been closed. But God willing, we objected it and we show them that yes, we are within the time. We are given 14 days to close our case. And today we are in the 10th day. Still, we have 4 days to close our case. And they insisted that the case should be closed. Why the case should be closed? Because they are afraid of our witnesses that we are bringing. We are bringing genuine witnesses, and that's why they don't want to see these witnesses. That is why they are praying for the court to close our case. How can the court close our case? We are the petitioners. So we are bringing witnesses. So how can somebody rise up and say we should close our case or somebody should close our case? Impossible. So it is impossible. So with justice, equity and fair hearing, the judge adjourned the case till tomorrow. And tomorrow, God willing, we are going to bring more witnesses, inshallah.
What message of hope do you have for your supporters?
Well, my message to our supporters is that they should be calm. Victory is certain. And we are on the path of the victory. So we urge them to be patient, to be loyal, to abide by the rules of the games. We don't want anybody to cause chaos because victory is on our side. So we urge them to be patient. Inshallah, we are coming victorious.
And you are optimistic that tomorrow you are going to bring the...
Inshallah, inshallah. You know, I'm not in charge of tomorrow. It is God willing. So in all what we are doing, we say inshallah. So God willing, we intend to bring our witnesses tomorrow. If they are available, we'll bring them. But what I'm trying to tell you is that we are within the specified days given to us. That is 14 days. And today we are in 10 days. So whether we bring them tomorrow or not, we are within the days. Yes. What is expected of us is to close our case before 14th or on the 14th dot. So we are within the time. But inshallah, like we have said, like our lawyer has said, we are going to bring our witness tomorrow. Inshallah.